Hello there, it's Robin and welcome back. We're getting some snow today. So I've lit some yummy smelling candles. Picked a favorite vintage record to play. And I plan to enjoy my time as I decorate a few places around the house for Christmas. Starting in the kitchen today, I have this one counter that I always like to add some decor to, and I am using red as my accent color this year. So I'm just going to start adding bits and pieces of different red items and see what I can come up with. That turned out pretty cute, I think. Nice and simple, but very festive. As I'm working, I look over and I see Rima keeping an eye on me. And she's so cute today and very much into what I am doing in the kitchen. Moving on to my next project, which happens to be also in the kitchen, I have found some vintage aprons that I want to use to decorate with. I think these are so cute. This one's a child's one and it has like a snowman, some buildings, cute little trees. It's even got some little stars on it. And I just think it is so adorable. I love that it's all on a red background. Just makes the whole design pop. And then I also have this very pretty apron as well with the poinsettias on it and the cute little flowers, and I just think it is so adorable. So I definitely want to use both of these aprons. So what I've decided to do is use these light clips and install them on the side of my cabinet to hang the aprons, and it works out absolutely perfectly. Another quick and simple project, but it really has a big impact and adds a nice little pop of color to the room, which I love. Moving out to the entryway, I have this little table that I'd like to decorate. I've got a little lantern and a basket with some cozy blankets in it already displayed, but I'd like to add something to the top. And I'm going to use this tree skirt that I found this summer at a church sale. Someone obviously put a lot of work into this. So I'm going to try to use it as a table runner and disguise the fact that it's actually a tree skirt. We'll see how it works out. But I'm going to use this vintage thrifted cake plate as a base for holding some candles and a wreath. I am hoping that it's large enough to sort of camouflage this middle section of the tree skirt that I want to hide. We'll see how it works out. I found this wreath a few years ago, and I know it's not something that everyone is going to like, but I absolutely love it. I love the colors of it. I love that it's vintage and it's got that tackiness to it. So it sort of introduces you into my tacky Christmas that is coming further on into the house. I love these candles as well. I've had them for quite a while. I'll see if I can find a link and put it down in the description box for you in case you're interested. I still have one little spot that I need to camouflage, and this little Santa does the trick. The final thing I want to get done today is make a wreath for my front door. So I started with a few sprigs of different greenery that I had around the house, a couple picks, plus a grapevine wreath, which I painted white years ago. And the first thing I did was cut up the sprigs of greenery into little sections and then just started adding them to the wreath. I worked on one side of the wreath until it was looking pretty good, and then I used some hot glue to add the floral picks to the bottom center of the wreath. Then I just finished up the remaining side with some more greenery. Most of it I just tucked into the grapevine wreath. Here and there, a little spot of hot glue was needed to keep things where I wanted it to sit. All in all, not a whole lot was needed, and this went together super quickly. When I was done, by that time it was dark out, I hung it on the front door, and I absolutely love how this turned out. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun decorating. I hope you guys had a great day as well, and I would love to know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.